Hey guys, my name is Goran. I've been doing certificate in applied technology, boat building for almost a year now, and we got asked to do a reflection on blogging and the Web2 tools that we're doing. I found blogging really easy. It was very good to get into. Took me a while to get into it though. Once I started getting into it, it went pretty good. The reflection of my blogging is improved my spelling. I always had problems with my spelling, and ever since I started blogging, I found that my spelling has been improving. Every Tuesday we have Vikkel coming into the workshop, and he's helping us out on how to use Blogger, Google Docs, Buzz, and it's a really good help to having him around. I recommend blogging for people that are doing any courses. It's very good for you. You can always track back your tracks on how far you've been working for, or if you need to catch up on any of your work before that. So for example, we did our Dory up at the start of the term, and we can see the steps that when we started and how we were doing it. And it's very good to keep up with the timeline. Also, blogging is, you can have people commenting on your blogs and helping you out when you're going wrong or when you're going right. And it's very good for you. Thank you.